Hello again. You know, when you're stuck in the danger zone, you really don't have time to worry about your wireless device management and expenses. And that's why I have CTI as my wingman. With over 20 years of expert experience, they can help you fly free from the costly plans, outdated offers, and obsolete equipment that is keeping you from reaching greater heights. Team CTI is ready to be your wingman by saving you money, updating your technology, and providing the resources to keep your organization out of the mobile wireless danger zone. The best part, CTI is offering a free work-from-home survival kit, including a ring light, wireless headphones, and a few other surprises to anyone who arranges a meeting to discuss your mobile environment and how CTI can help your team reach new heights. I'm Maverick, and I approve this message.